First-time parenting, common fears and how to manage them. Hey there, first-time parents, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of common fears that often come with the exciting journey of becoming a parent for the first time. But don't worry, we've got some expert tips and a dose of humor to help you manage those fears like a pro. So let's get started and conquer those worries together. The fear of the unknown. First up, it's totally normal to fear the unknown. You might be wondering, am I ready for this? Let me tell you a little secret. No one really feels 100% ready, but remember, you've got this. Millions of parents before you have navigated these waters, and they turned out just fine. Sleepless nights. Sleepless nights, every new parent's rite of passage. The thought of endless nights with a crying baby can be scary. But here's a tip. Sleep when your baby sleeps. Yes, it's easier said than done, but napping can be a lifesaver. And don't forget, it's only temporary. Soon, they'll sleep like little angels. The messy mayhem. Next up, the fear of messy mayhem. Diaper blowouts, spit up, and food flying everywhere. Parenting can be chaotic. But guess what? Embrace the mess. Think of it as a badge of honor, a sign that your little one is exploring and growing. Plus, stains are just battle scars of parenthood. Balancing work and family. One of the big fears is balancing work and family life. It's a juggling act for sure. But here's the secret sauce. Prioritize and communicate. Set realistic expectations. Ask for support from your partner or family, and remember, it's okay to say no to things that drain your energy. The perfect parent pressure. The perfect parent pressure. Trying to live up to those Instagram-worthy moments can be overwhelming. But let's be real, parenting is a messy and beautiful mix of highs and lows. Embrace imperfections and remember that the best moments are the candid ones. Asking for help. Last but not least, the fear of asking for help. We've all been there. But let me tell you, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Reach out to your support system, family, friends, or even online communities like ours. You'll be amazed by the support and advice you'll receive. Congratulations, first-time parents. You've made it through our hilarious but helpful guide on managing common fears of first-time parenting. Embrace the uncertainties, learn from the challenges, and remember, there's no one right way to be a parent, just your way. If you found this video entertaining and helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join Optimistic Overflow. We've got more tips, stories, and laughter in store for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep smiling, keep loving, and keep being awesome parents. Remember, the glass is always half full.